Hi, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I make as many appearances out in the wild like this, but I thought I would try something new and just like it was a topic. So how do you create films if you're all by yourself? No, it's possible. I think you should start this way to build up your skills and stuff. So consolidate your scripts to single character or like a few characters. If you are going to use multiple characters, you can use props, you can use puppets, you can use composites of sorts and things like that. I did that in a variety of my short clips that I put on YouTube, and you can do and you can basically do that. I have found an eyeball on Unsplash or Pixels or something like that I use all the time to kind of composite into a ghost of some sort. You can use your hand, you can use a puppet, you can use a sock puppet, you can just get cuts of yourself. And another thing is to be able to make films by yourself, you need to learn a lot. You should be able to be in on the craft of filmmaking instead of just like waiting for money to pay somebody else to do the craft for you. In this day and age, you should really just like do what you should do it if you love it. Like, if you're more in love with the idea that you're gonna get this money and pay somebody else to do stuff, and you just sit there, maybe you're not. Maybe this isn't for you. Like I approach it in the way of I approach like painting. Like you paint your own paintings instead of getting a whole lots of people to paint your own paintings. I sometimes use voice shift to shift my voices, but there's nothing wrong with if you can learn to voice act a little bit or work without dialogue. There's nothing wrong with working without dialogue or the monologue. That's something you can do too. So learn to do VFX if you can, even if at least like green screen and composite pictures together and stuff. I want to do at some point, I want to go and learn more about like VFX arts more seriously. But it's something that you should absolutely look into learning to be able to like expand the amount of sets that you can do. And take these as practice shots and like build a body of work. If you can't make a movie alone, I think you should plug other people into it to make your movie, because you'll end up having to lead. And when you can't do it, you didn't blaze the trail for that, you're not going to be much of a leader that people are going to count on for direction and a sense of knowing what's going on. So that's going to be it for me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out my YouTube channel if you like it, and some of my work too. So